Pet hair, dander, and tracked litter can overwhelm even the tidiest home. In this video to the best robot vacuum cleaners for pet hair, we spotlight models that pair strong suction with anti-tangle brush rolls, high-efficiency particulate air filtration, and smart mapping to handle shedding on carpets and hard floors. You'll see picks with obstacle avoidance for toys and bowls, quiet operation for skittish pets, and self-empty bases for less mess. Find the right balance of power, runtime, and price to keep floors consistently clean. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If pet hair is your daily battle, the Lefant M210 helps you win with less effort. Designed for homes with pets, it uses a strong digital motor and a unique brushless suction port to pull fur and crumbs straight into the dustbin. No tangled roller brushes to clean. At just 11 inches in diameter and 2.99 inches high, it slips under sofas, beds, and toe kicks to reach spots you usually miss. You stay in charge from your phone. Use the Lefant app to start, stop, switch modes, and set schedules that match your routine. Tip: if you can't connect, make sure you're using the new Lefant app to unlock the latest features. The M210 handles wood, hard floors, and low-pile carpet, and its obstacle avoidance and anti-fall sensors help it navigate safely around furniture and stairs. When the battery runs low, it auto-docks to recharge and is ready for the next run. You can choose exactly how it cleans. Zigzag for efficient coverage, random for quick touch-ups, spot for concentrated messes, edge for baseboards, schedule timed for hands-off daily maintenance, and manual control when you want to steer. With app control, variable power levels, and lithium-ion battery reliability, you get consistent performance without babysitting the robot. If you want a lightweight, 3.03 kilograms vacuum that tackles pet hair without brush maintenance and reaches tight spaces, the Lefant M210 is a smart, budget-friendly way to keep floors cleaner day after day. At number 4, iRobot Roomba 104 Vac Robot Vacuum. If pet hair takes over your floors faster than you can grab a broom, the iRobot Roomba 104 Vac is built to keep you ahead of the mess. You get up to 70 times more power-lifting suction and a 3-stage cleaning system that pulls fur, crumbs, and dust from carpets and hard floors. A multi-surface brush and edge-sweeping brush chase debris along baseboards and in corners, so rooms feel truly clean. You stay in control with the Easy Roomba Home app. Set schedules around your routine, choose specific rooms for targeted cleanups, adjust suction levels, and create keep-out zones to protect pet bowls, cords, or play areas. When a spot needs extra attention, like under the dining table, Spot Clean focuses power in a tight area for up to 5 minutes. Clear view light detection and ranging and logical room-by-room navigation map your home quickly and steer smoothly around furniture while anti-fall sensors protect against stairs. When the battery runs low, the robot auto-docks to recharge and gets back to work. And with automatic dust collection, you empty less and live more. You'll appreciate the thoughtful touches, variable suction control to balance noise and power, lithium-ion battery reliability, app control from anywhere, and included batteries so you're ready on day one. For a pet-friendly home that stays cleaner with less effort, Roomba 104 Vac makes daily upkeep simple and consistent. Number 3, we have the Roborock Q7M5 plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. If pet hair and fine dust keep finding their way back onto your floors, the Roborock Q7M5 Plus helps you stay ahead with powerful, low-maintenance cleaning. The RockDock Plus holds a 2.7-liter sealed dust bag so you can go up to 7 weeks without emptying, ideal when you want true hands-free upkeep. You'll get deep, thorough results on wood, tile, marble, and carpet. Its 10,000 Pascal Hyperforce suction lifts embedded hair and debris from fibers and along edges in a single pass. The dual anti-tangle system, featuring the jaw scraper's main brush and a 0% hair tangling side brush, resists wrap, even from long-haired breeds, so you spend less time pulling strands from rollers and more time enjoying clean floors. You also vacuum and mop in one go. 3 adjustable water levels let you match moisture to the task. Light for everyday dust, higher flow for sticky spots. So fine particles that vacuums miss are captured and locked away. Control everything from the app. Start and stop runs, set schedules, choose rooms, and tune cleaning power to your routine. With reliable lithium-ion power and thoughtful design at 10.6 pounds, the Q7M5 Plus balances suction, coverage, and convenience. If you want fewer interruptions, fewer tangles, and consistently cleaner floors, especially with pets, this robot delivers a smarter, longer-lasting clean with minimal effort from you. At number 2, Sharka V2501SA iUltra Robot Vacuum. If you want a robot that actually keeps up with pet hair and daily mess, the Sharka V2501SA iUltra is built to take cleaning off your plate. Powerful suction lifts debris from both carpets and hard floors, while the self-cleaning brush roll helps prevent hair wrap, so you spend less time detangling and more time relaxing. You'll appreciate how thoroughly it covers each room. Matrix Clean navigation moves in a precise grid and makes multiple passes, delivering deep, even coverage instead of random spot cleans. The bagless, self-emptying base can hold up to 30 days of dust and debris, and its true high-efficiency particulate air filtration captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns, useful if you're sensitive to pet dander or seasonal allergens. Control is simple and flexible. Use the app to schedule cleanse or start on demand and go hands-free with voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, it can handle larger spaces. Recharge and resume lets it dock, power up, and continue where it left off. Choose the AV2501SA iUltra if you want a set-and-forget robot vacuum that pairs strong suction with smart, repeatable coverage, a self-empty base with high-efficiency particulate air filtration, and easy app voice control. So pet hair, dust, and everyday debris stay under control with far less effort from you. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Eufy C10 Robot Vacuum. If you're fighting constant pet hair tumbleweeds, the Eufy C10 Robot Vacuum is built to keep floors under control with almost no effort from you. Its self-empty station transfers debris into a 3-liter bag after each run, so you typically swap the bag about every 60 days. Great for busy schedules and allergy-sensitive homes. You'll get confident pickup from 4,000 pascal of suction, working with a rolling brush to lift hair, crumbs, and dust on hard floors, tile, wood, and low-pile carpets. The unique corner rover arm extends to sweep along edges and deep into corners, capturing strands that ordinary round bots miss, especially useful in pet zones near baseboards and under cabinets. Laser navigation maps rooms and plans efficient paths, helping the C10 clean methodically instead of wandering. At just 2.85 inches tall, it glides under sofas, beds, and desks to clear the areas where fur quietly accumulates. Control it your way. Schedule cleans in the app. Tap the onboard buttons for a quick pass. Or use voice control with your preferred assistant. Operation stays quiet so it won't disrupt nap time, yours or your pet's. Choose the C10 if you want a slim, self-emptying robot vacuum that tackles pet hair in corners and under furniture while navigating your home with precision, so your floors stay consistently cleaner with far less effort from you. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which robot vacuum cleaner for pet hair you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.